Hello friends, welcome back my challenge. Like, subscribe and share this video. 1 number women's satin solid knee length nighty. Soft and cozy night dress. Fabric, satin. It will make you feel pretty and pampered all at the same time. Please subscribe my channel. 2 number women's satin, net solid above knee baby doll nightwear robe with lingerie set. Satin baby doll robe with contrasting color cuffs. 3 number women's satin plain / solid nightwear set. Style, women's silky satin plain robe with lace work at waist, removable sash tie closure. Subscribe please. 4 number baby doll dress robe / kimono pipe nightwear / nighty / sleep dress. Lightweight and comfortable. Perfect for lounging and relaxing around the house. 5 number VArer women's satin solid maxi nighty. High quality and well made, each kimono dress in our range is made from poly satin and is lightweight. 6 number Nighty women's satin solid nightwear. Color / size / fit. Attractive colors and free size with cozy and comfy feel and fit. Please subscribe my channel and share and like this video. Check out my channel. 7 number women's satin baby doll nightwear robe. Women's satin baby doll robe with matching satin belt. Lace bordered sleeves, V-neck design, front belt closure. 8 number Fettify robe for women and girls. The nightwear is soft and smooth fabric is gentle on the skin, making it very comfortable to wear. Please subscribe my channel and share and like this video. 9 number Affair pink poly satin nightgown. Wash care instructions, normal hand wash or machine wash, do not dry in direct sunlight. 10 number Nighty girl satin solid night suit. It is created in a fashion that will enhance your natural silhouette and make you feel relaxed. Thank you.